See here, this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel, how to activate on my LinkedIn profile. This is my videos. I'm adding for n number of videos. First of all, select this one. How to use videos in LinkedIn. Just select, click here, copy this one. Here, just I'm mentioning for the mute option. Just copy this URL. Okay, I'm going to my LinkedIn profile. Here, one, you can go this click for view profile is one option. Second thing will be click this the my name. In this one, this is my profile option. In this profile, click for edit. Now here, adding for link, select it, click for add. Now again, this posting for our thumbnail, our title and keyword. Now click for apply. So we can add within a second. I can add by my YouTube video URL. Suppose I can upload direct video on my LinkedIn profile for activity purpose. Now click for upload. That video upload for less than 10 minutes. Please note down LinkedIn profile activity. If we upload any videos, they support less than 10 minutes. Now here I'm accepting for only for 15-second video. So here I'm adding for this video here. Just click, you can add in for directly. See this one, the upload video will be here. Just here, put this option, changing here. We're writing for digital marketing, web design, and development services. You can add here. Now just we have to wait for a second here. Once upload video, we can just click for apply here. The video will upload, they can show for apply option here. So here, once video will upload, they can into the upload by your activity profile log. See here, just I'm closing this option here. Now here, click for no thanks for Discord. This is called your activity log. See more here. See this here activity log. If anybody come into your profile, just click this link. They're going to particular image. This is called your, you can promote your images. Is the first option. If you click this one, they're going to will be link. This is called video. That is called your, just click. You can play our video here. This is called our YouTube video. This is called, you can add your YouTube URL videos and you can support for Dailymotion, Vimeo, and we can promote our direct upload videos. Simple. Click edit. You can promote option will be called here. Suggested format. They support only for MP4 format. The video direct upload form will be MP4 format. You can promote here photos, sites, and videos, and your documentation, your PPT presentations. You can promote your PPT presentations also. This is called add your videos on LinkedIn profile for activity or profile purpose.